Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to convert image to text in Android. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my mobile I just open Chrome browser and I just search for good morning message or any other messages which has the image. So this has the image. I need to convert this image into text. What I have to do here? So how to convert from image to text? All kind of images to I want to convert as a text, and I want to add, if I have any other notes file, everything is there. I want to convert image into text. What I have to do here? On top in your address box, Google search, just type image to text. Once you type image to text, the first link will open here, proposed tool. So I have given the description link. Just click the link. That link will direct you to the image to text converter. So here there will be a image to text converter will be there. Just scroll down, you will get option called drag and drop or control V. So just browse the file or just paste your URL. So I just click here to browse my file. So I have the files in my gallery. So as I downloaded the files, so I can select any other files for the image. I just choose this image and I just click it for a done option. Once I click a done option, automatically my file will be added over here, as you see here. So my file is added over here. So once my file is added, just click I am not a robot and just click submit. Once you click submit, the uploading images, this image will be uploaded over here. After the image upload, extracting the text, so image to text will be extracting over here, and you will get option called good morning, your sweet teddy bear, missed you, I cannot wait for you, like that. Whatever the images has the content, everything will be displayed over here. Similarly, I just select one more browse and just choose one more option, just click done option. I can upload the file. So this is the JPG file I just want to convert as a text. Just select I am not robot and just click submit. Once I click the submit option, automatically upload file will be open here and extracting text will be on over here, and I can get my entire text. Whatever the text is there in my image will be displayed here. So I can copy the text here, so using the copy. Otherwise I just click here for the download option to download the text over here. Otherwise I can convert as a Word file. So this is a beautiful option. While you cannot able to convert your image to text, use this web option to create. So do not install any other third-party application. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my Howix channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.